Cryptoverse, the budget-making moolah from messy markets. The crypto market's a warm mess, leaving many buyers struggling to turn a dollar. Enter the arbitrageurs. Bitcoin and different cryptocurrencies have either been shackled to stages or in decline because January, leaving your everyday buy and hold investor with little option however to promote or to await the elusive rally. One elegance of pro traders is faring better, though, the arbitrageurs, gamers, which includes hedge price range who thrive on exploiting fee variations among one-of-a-kind geographies and exchanges. In May, when the market collapsed, we made money. We are up 40 foundation factors for the month, said Anatoly Krakyilov, co-founder and CEO of Nickel Digital Asset Management in London, referring to their arbitrage method. Arb trading entails shopping for an asset in an inexpensive venue and simultaneously promoting it somewhere else in which it is quoted at a top rate, in principle pocketing the difference at the same time as being impartial at the asset. It's without a doubt no longer for everybody, and calls for the kind of get entry to multiple markets and exchanges, and regularly the algorithms, that only extreme gamers like sophisticated hedge budget can steady to make it a worthwhile endeavor. Yet for traders who meet the bar, it is proving appealing. Such market impartial funds have emerged as the maximum common method amongst crypto hedge budget, making up nearly a third of all presently active crypto price range, in line with PWC's annual worldwide crypto hedge fund document posted Ultimate Week. K2 Trading Partners stated its high-frequency buying and selling crypto arbitrage fund, that is algorithmically pushed, had again approximately 1% this year through to the cease of May, whilst Bitcoin slumped 31% inside the identical period. Meanwhile, Stack Fund's long, brief buying and selling fund with exposure in liquid cryptocurrencies saw its unmarried biggest monthly lack of approximately 30% in May, even as its arbitrage-focused fund shed 0.2%. Your funds frozen while arbitrage has lengthy been a popular method in lots of markets. The younger crypto sector lends itself to the technique as it boasts numerous hundred exchanges throughout a world with inconsistent regulation, consistent with members. Hugo Xavier, CEO of K2 Trading Partners, said arb trading benefited from a loss of interconnectivity among crypto exchanges. That's proper because you have extraordinary costs and that creates arbitrage opportunities. For instance, Bitcoin turned into trading at $27,493 on Coinbase, Nasdaq, Coin on Monday, versus $28,067 on BISC. Bitcoin is down 44% this year, and at December 2020 lows. Yet marketplace watchers additionally point to the possible pitfalls, consisting of technical snaffus on exchanges slowing or freezing up transactions, potentially robbing arb investors of their edge. Some gently regulated venues in smaller international locations, which provide many proper arb possibilities, pose more risks. It's every day for an alternate cross offline, Xavier introduced. Your finances may be frozen for a few cause. Stress situations. Price discrepancies have normally arisen because of the less skilled retail investors who make up the majority of crypto trades, specifically within the derivatives marketplace. And, even as arbitrage techniques are direction neutral, they tend to carry out higher when bullish markets appeal to extra retail participation. Of direction, you need to have retail investors at the equal exchange which you are while you're doing arbitration because you'll have much less smart cash. When there may be a bullish market, retail volume comes back, Xavier said. If the markets are transferring sideways or taking place, retail traders cool off. Opportunities are fewer due to the fact most of people there are market makers and they're efficient. Marcus Thielen, Chief Funding Officer at Singapore-based digital asset supervisor IDEG, said that there were a shift in recent months, with arbitrage opportunities on the whole appearing for the duration of market stress conditions. So the marketplace structure has fundamentally modified at the arb facet, he stated, adding their arb strategy generated returns of 2% within the final 8 weeks. Yet Katrina Hanish, Director of Business Development at London-based crypto marketplace maker Wintermute, stated arb trading in the long run had a limited shelf lifestyles because inconsistent pricing across extraordinary exchanges changed into awful for investors. As greater institutional players come into the gap, the arb possibilities can be eliminated.